How to fix Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 3+4 crashing on Steam. So first you want to open up your Steam and then go to the library, and then you want to right click on the game, click on properties, and then go to the installed files tab and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to be finished. Now once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then find the game exe file in this folder. Click on the properties and then go to the compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this, and then you can close this window. Now you want to open your NVIDIA GPU app or whatever GPU you have to basically check for updates. And you want to go to the drivers section and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once you do that, you should restart your computer. And after you restart, you should simply open up Steam as administrator by right-clicking on Steam and clicking on Run as Administrator. And then you should simply launch the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.